Hiya everyone, I hope it's all okay. I'm on YouTube and Facebook, so if my eyes go a little bit funny, you know why. I'm looking at you all. Right, I'm in a funny mood because I've got lots of work to do. You're literally going to get ready with us while I film. I'm going to do a quick makeup look with you, and then I've got loads of work to do. But we're getting ready for that work. So here goes. Shall I put the light on? No. I hope you can see. This'll do. Okay, I've literally just washed my hair with something exciting. And I love it. I just love it. Right, but we need to do a face first. So off we'll go. I'm using this Triple Moisture Mist. Be Perfect. Love it. Let's start. I think I need to do my hair tied back, but I've lost my thing, which is something I do all the time. Yeah, it's completely gone. I lose everything. Yeah. Get a bit of that on. Wakey wakey. Smells nice. Wakes you up. It's just nice. Then on top of that, you don't have to do this. I just love my creams and stuff, and I'm using Be Perfect again, and it is the perfect primer. This one here. Look, this is like my second tub. Absolutely love this stuff. I really do. It's just gorgeous. You don't ever have to use a primer on your skin before your makeup, but I love to, because I find the makeup glides on better as I've gotten older. My skin becomes drier, and I just like to feel that moisturized back up. So that goes on like that, and then let's get the foundation on. I'm going to use this today, Chroma Cover. This is the luminous one. You can get it in matte. If you ever get matte, always remember, get it in a shade lighter than you normally would, because it can come in quite dark. But the luminous is just as you are, and there's a shade picker on the website for the Be Perfect. So if you're not sure what you are, have a little look on there. It's like, it's got a vast amount of different brands on there with different shades and stuff. I hope you can see everything. I'm just gently doing it across here. I want to do a quick look, but I wanted to get ready with you, and I thought, instead of just putting makeup on off camera, I thought, come and do a hello. It's getting closer and closer at the weekend, and I'm still not sure what's happening. I've got outfits ready. I'm kind of half prepped. I might be going to Cannes. No, ever been. I'm looking forward. Oh, I am. I've washed all my brushes as well because I'm that excited. I know that might sound daft, but it's what I do. I get like in these little exciting places and I don't sleep. So I'm feeling a little bit like that because I've got so much going on right now, which is very good. I've got brushes coming again. So I've got my samples, they're back on the way. I got the shipment today. I've been tweaking and I think I'm there. So I should have my own brushes available for you all soon. And I'm so excited about that. Here we go. Just going to make sure I get that covered and lovely. Okay. Happy days. Then I've got this palette I'm going to use today, Harmony, and I'm going to use this one because it's got some of these colours in which I'm hoping to play with. That's like a rosy colour. I think I'm going to use that, but I'm going to use Kiko. Look at that. Remember, Pretend It's a MAC Shade Stick Shark Skin of years ago? Well, I went out on the hunt for something similar and I found this one, which is equally as gorgeous. In fact, this one is so creamy, I don't have to warm it up between my hands. Remember, I used to have to do that. Right, where I've dropped something. I'm going to use this as well. Elf. I found this because I wanted to get that Rose and Ben does like Colour Witch Theory stuff. Is it Colour Witch, not Colour Theory Witch? So I really should go back to bed. It's probably safer. So yeah, Colour Theory Witch, Rose and Ben on Instagram. Love watching her stuff. And I found this like little purple, she has this purple thing she puts on and she mixes it in with her makeup to get like the balance right. And I thought, ooh. So I found this, it's Elf, and I can't remember the colour because I can't see. Hang on. It's called Bold Faced Lilac, the little cameo blush. We're going to use that. Let's go. So, hope this works. Have I got a mirror? Yes, I have. I'm going to be quick as I can because I want to try and keep this video like small-ish. And I'm going to just pop that on and I'll blend that in a minute. Hang on, don't do that. Something's happening. So just stick it on the way you would. Hi. And then we're going to blend it in. It's getting dark in here now. There was a bit light when I started. Do you know, all I can do is think about eating. I'm like so hungry. Disgusting. Hang on, should I really shape it? I should, shouldn't I? It's been a while. Hang on, let's just shape this a bit, so you know. Should do a bit of tape on. Am I hiding? Yes, I am. Sorry. Let's go. I'm going to blend. I use the concealer brush. Yeah. Right, no, yeah. Well, I'm going to use the concealer brush, okay? And we're just going to blend. Lovely. This is working perfect. Oh, wow. Could do with it. There we go. Could do with it there. It's blending beautiful. All I wanted is this out a bit blended. The same on the other side. So what I'm planning on doing is sticking that kind of sparkly rose over the top of this, and the idea behind it is the dark's going to come through and intensify the look. We need a smaller brush, but we're getting there. As long as it's blended ish, because I can do the rest of the blending with me other brush. This one here, I'm just going to put, there we go, and pull that out of there. We can sort that out. But as long as you've got your backdrop on. Yeah, now we're going to go in the palette. We're going to go in with this rosy one here, which I think is beautiful. Oh, look, there's you, me, hello. And we're just going to soften the edges with that rose. And then I'm going to bring that down to the lash line. Same again. This is like a super quick look. If you wanted to know, I was going to use another product, but I'll show you where it is. I'll put it somewhere. I was going to use this one, Kiko. Hang on. I could actually, I think I might get this on first. I want to blend this out a bit more because it's a bit dark here. There we go. And bring that back up. That's better. What you could do as well, if you wanted, I think it's looking a bit funny because I've got paint here. Oh god, that's prettier. I was looking a bit like ghouly because I've got the eyes and I need to put something light in the corner. We're going to put a bit of this on just in the inner corner, just because, yeah, I'm looking a bit ghouly. I've put a bit too dark in there. That's better. Pop that there. What you could do as well, if you wanted, concentrate this back to the lash line. You start pulling faces, you know, as you get older. When I first started on YouTube, I could just literally stick it on without having to pull a face. Now I've got to like really pull my face down because otherwise the wrinkles will consume all the makeup. When I started on YouTube, it was nearly 18 years ago, you know, and I think I was 27 or something. Now I'm like 44. Things have changed, but you can still wear makeup. You just adapt it and you have fun every step of the way. So I feel like this is a bit funny looking, but let's go. Let's just enjoy it. And I'm going to fluff that in, but only just a bit. And fluff that in. What I would like to do as well, I'm going to take this brush. This is like a smaller blending. This is going to go underneath. I'm going to go in with this one, I think. So this one, I'm not sure what the colour it is. Oh, hang on. It is Abundance. So the one I went in before was, gosh, my eyes. I need me Compromise, and then we've got Abundance. I could do with some glasses. So I'm just putting that underneath. I love this palette, you know. I've had to play with it a couple of times. I've only just recently got it. I had Legend. Is it Legendary or Legend? I think it's Legend, which is really, really nice. Legacy, sorry. Good God, Lauren. Yeah. I'm actually going through the perimenopause. I get the hot sweats and the brain fog. And you know what's really annoying? You forget right when you need it. Like, honestly. Oh, and like excessive grey hair coming through. So you kind of just got to go with it. It's coming. Anyway, that's that. I'm going to put a little bit of the black just on the outer corner. And just because I think it looks better when it's darker and smoky on the outer corner, and then it brings it in. It just shapes your eyes as well. I'll put a little bit of that on there. You could put it up as well if you wanted to, just to darken that outer corner. Sure, the dog's just burped. I heard her. It wasn't me. Now, I'm going to go straight in with some mascara. Black Intensify Mascara. This is Be Perfect. Love it. I need my mirror again. I've done it again. Why do I keep doing that? Right. I think I've opened the wrong one as well. Ah, I know. Yes, I have. I've opened the wrong one. Right. Up, yeah. Okay, tip your head back and off we'll go. So what I like to do as well, give this a couple of seconds and then put on another coat, because it's one of them mascaras which you've got a little bit of room for manoeuvring. You can manipulate it a little bit before it sets and you end up looking like a spider, you know, the legs, the spider leg look. It's not a good look. So you can actually put a couple of coats on here, providing you leave a little gap, but not too much of a gap. And you end up being able to put like a bit extra on. I think I need to go underneath with that little brush again, just to blend a bit more black in. Yeah, and a bit more pink. Just I'm seeing there now, I need to make them, there we go. We need to make them a bit more the same. There we go. I like how you can change the shape of your eyes just with a bit of makeup. Now I'm going to go back in here, get them right ramped up. This is a look I haven't done in a long, long time. But it's nice to play about. Now I don't usually put any on the bottom lashes because, hang on, no I haven't. It's still all there and I'm loving it. I don't usually put it on the bottom because I do have fine wrinkles, and again, tends to love the makeup, so it'll swallow it all up and then I end up with like a bleeding into the cracks. And with all the best intentions in the world from all the mascaras I've tried, a lot of them do run unless they're waterproof, and waterproof is a bugger to get off. So I don't like waterproof as much as I can help it. Lipstick, hang on, let's do this first. So we're going to go in with the Bold Face Lilac, and I think I'm bold face brain dead at the minute. Honestly, I cannot believe how, well, you'll know if you're going through it, your brain just decides to take off on you mid-sentence, mid-thought. It's a bit embarrassing. Never mind. Right, there we go. I can't use my phone. No, I want to use this one. Go back over that. Look at that. Ooh, it's very purple. But we're going to go back over it because I've got my foundation brush here. And by the time you've just blended it all together again, you've got yourself a gorgeous blush. You don't look like Aunt Sally, and it's just a perfect colour. It's just lovely. Lipstick wise, I thought I'd pick this. This one here is the Ekin-Su Unstoppable. I wish I was unstoppable. Okay, hang on. Make sure I put it on my lips, not on my cheeks or something. So I'll get my mirror out. My lips are quite thin, but fear not, because I'm going to plump the look and things. We're going to find something to plump look. This is quite a dark look, isn't it? Let's have a play with this. This is NYX Espresso Thick It, Stick It. These are brow, is it one espresso? Oh, yeah, it's espresso. I'll just pop it there. Could do with a bit on my hair, couldn't I? I've got stuff for that. I'm going to the hairdressers tomorrow anyway, because I want it all sorted. But the problem is, see, I can't get it in a box because I like to keep the bottoms blonde and the sides blonde. So if I go box, I'll end up just colouring the whole lot, because I'm like that. I don't know how to do it. So it's been like years since I've box dyed. I think the last one was I did a video for, was it Clairol? I used Clairol hair dye, and that was a long time ago. That was like my early YouTube days. That was probably my last box dye. I've gone to hairdressers ever since, because I went on a bleach blonde journey and then I just kept with them. But look, I don't want to lose these bits. So if I put a box dye on, I'm lost them. So I'm going to go and get my roots done. I need something light for the lips, because I'm not happy too much with the dark, I don't think. Let's have some anyway. Actually, I don't mind it, actually. I think it's not the look I'm used to, but I'm enjoying it. 20 minutes long. Yay. Right, I'm going to use this because I've got it in front of us and it's exciting. Hang on, what's it called? Oh, jeez, Lauren. Okay, it's number 006 Reef, and it's the Lifter. Maybelline Lifter. Okay. Yeah, I like that. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this look. Something different for you. I'm going to do me videos now, me work. I hope you have a lovely day. Please, if you're watching, leave us an emoji. Your GIF or your emoji today is aubergine. Sorry, I can't think of anything else. Zoom, zoom.